Hey everyone, Andy here from MrYouWho. And guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share my in-depth review of the Tough-On True Open earbuds, as you can see here. Now these earbuds are packed with features, including Bluetooth 5.3, ENC noise cancellation, and impressive 45 hours playtime. And guys, all of this for just $50. So I've been putting these earbuds through their paces in a variety of settings, from driving, gym workouts, long runs, and everyday use, so you can see exactly if these earbuds are the ones you want. Now again, if you like these, there's links in the description below to purchase. Any purchases really does support the channel. So guys, let's start off with an unboxing. So inside the box, you get the Tough-On True Open earbuds, a sleek charging case, a Type-C charging cable, and a user manual. Guys, I love how slim and compact the charging case is. Now, while it's quite a wide case, dimension-wise, it's very, very slim. So you can actually put this into your jeans, into your gym bag, and it will go well with you as well. The charging case is also pre-charged as well, so you can actually just pop the earbuds in there and start using them as well. So you can see, pop the earbuds in, and they're magnetic too, so they don't actually fall out. So there they are there. One of the first things I noticed about these earbuds is how light they are as well. So you see the earbud there? It weighs only 9 grams. So when I put them on, you don't feel them moving much in your ears. So you put them on just like this. Now, the open ear design itself is genius. So it feels comfortable even during long listening sessions, and plus the ear hooks, as you can see there, fit securely in place. So guys, I've worn these while running, doing intense gym workouts, and even while cycling. And not once did they feel like they're gonna fall out. So you can see, look, see, not moving. The design also allows you to stay aware of your surroundings, which is very, very important when you're doing outdoor activities. And that's because of the open ear design. So to have a look, so with the earbuds, the speaker sits just there as well. So when it's on your ears, the speaker sits there and it plays into your eardrum just there, which is great. Now they have ENC noise cancellation, which means it adapts to the environment around you. Now how well did they work? Well, they're no joke. They managed to filter out a significant amount of background noise. So listening to music, bopping along, you can't hear the outdoor ear noise. That being said though, when I was at the gym, I could hear some background noise in the background. That's because it doesn't have an exact seal over the ear canal. But they do work very, very well. They're also very good for calls as well. You call people on them, they can hear you quite clearly as well. The microphones are quite good. So for noise cancelling and calling for $50, they're very good. Again, they're not there with, you know, your top of the line earbuds, but for a budget earbud price, they're good. So let's talk about workouts. Now, as you guys know, MrYouWho loves working out. I go to the gym all the time. Did a workout just then. As you can see, the music's in the background of the gym, and these headphones are really good. I was on a cycle and they stayed right in my ears as well. I didn't move at all. So very, very good for workouts, and I'm having a pumping gym workout. As you can see, it's great. And they perform very well at the gym. So let's start with for ambient noise. So cut down a lot of the background gym noise when you're moving. The guys have the music up, pumped on full, and it's really annoying. You can still hear it a bit, but sometimes it's still worked quite well. I also use them for weightlifting, high intensity workouts. They never missed a beat. And they're also sweat resistant too, which means don't have to worry about them if I get a bit of sweat going down my cheek. It works quite well. Well guys, I've just been for a run, and the Tough-On earbuds, wow. They didn't move at all in my ears. They were fantastic as well. Couldn't hear anything else around me. As you can see, some beautiful running areas here around Kangaroo Point in Brisbane as well. So there's the earbuds just there, and they were great as well. And because they're water resistant as well, it's great if I'm actually going out into the outside too. So yeah, great earbuds. Very good touch controls too. So if you can see there's a touch control. So a single tap allows you to play, pause music, answer calls, or adjust the volume. So you press it and it adapts very, very well. So I found the controls quite good, actually. Very, very good. Yeah, very, very good. Now, as you can see, and they sit just nicely on the ears, so they hook in and they don't move as well. So you can move it around depending on what you want for your fit type. Again, we've done other open ear design earbuds as well, and we're really starting to get used to them as well. Not only do they not put much pressure on your eardrums, but they also give you the ability to, you know, do exercise because of the hooks. Sound quality, well, the sound is good. Strong bass, clear treble. I used them running. I like to have a lot of house music as well, dancing along. And as I bopped my head, they didn't move a lot. And it's good for MrYouWho as well, because having a bald head, there's no kind of hair to stick it to. It sticks quite well there. The earbuds themselves have 14.2 millimeter dynamic drivers, which themselves gives a strong bass, strong clear. I use them dance, hip hop, classic music as well, and they handle everything quite well. Again, you're not getting the sound of, say, like your JBL or Bose or anything like that, but again, if you want earbuds to get the job done, good music, these are perfect for you. So I just use them watching videos, listening to podcasts, and consistent audio quality, which is quite good. Another strong feature is the battery life. So the earbuds themselves have 9 hours in each earbud, and that's on a single charge. Now this charging case itself gives a whopping 45 hours again as well. So that's huge really for earbuds. So you can literally just pop them in, use them. I tend to use my earbuds, pop them and not using them as well, which gives more battery life. It means they're always being carried around. And when I bought them as well, they came actually pre-charged in the case too, which meant that I could start using them straight away, which is really good. Yeah, as you can see, there's a USB-C charging point at the back there. Good earbuds, and that's the battery life on there, 4 stars. Now again, like we said earlier, connecting to earbuds is easy. Other devices, Bluetooth 5.3, which is a lot better than other places that have 5.2. Shows a very stable connection. The auto pairing feature is nice. So you just take them out and beep, beep, they connect. I always put them the wrong way around, but you put them that way. Fast and hassle-free. See, there I just did it just then. I use them with my Android and also my iPhone and my Mac top. It worked quite well as well, so which is great. So guys, there's the Tough On earbuds there. What can I say? Good quality open ear earbuds. They come at a really good price as well. You know, at 50 bucks, you can't go wrong with these. Comfortable, good design, noise cancellation, good sound. You know what can you say? Incredible value. As you can see me using them out and about, they stood the test with workouts, running around in the city, you know, going to the beach. They're very good, comfortable, all around a very, very good package. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the review today, how in-depth it was. The Tough On open ear earbuds are really good. There's links below if you wish to purchase these as well. Any purchase you make supports us. And also let me know if you like the review, if you used open ear earbuds, or what other suggestions you have for MrYouWho. But then again, quality, comfort, features such as noise cancelling and the battery life makes these fantastic earbuds to use. So anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.